Today we're going to show you how to assemble the Graco Turbobooster 2.0 booster seat. The first thing you're going to want to do is install the handles. We've already got one in. Here's the handle. You see these little tabs? You can easily push those in. So you'll push the tab in so that it goes inside, and then you will push down on the handle until it clicks into place. You've then got to open these screws and install the screw right here. I actually had to push pretty hard to get that in. You have to push down pretty hard to get it to screw in place. Okay. I'll now show you how to take the cover off. You're going to want to flip it over. There'll be 4 little tabs that the cover will wrap around. So you've got one here that will unhook. One here. One here. The hooks are here, 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 and here. You can then pull it off to clean it or whatever. One tip I would have is try to remove this foam piece before cleaning. To put the cover on, we're just going to lay it on top. And you're going to pull the cover around the cup holders on each side. Then you're going to flip it over. I like to start on the bottom. I will hook it here. Grab this hook. Hook it here. Go from the top. Hook it there. Hook it there. You're good to go. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs. Hopefully you'll subscribe.